that should work.
Side of the marking might be better.
So what my plan on it is I'd like to break the sheet metal right there on the notch cover so it's all one piece. So we were able to get this piece of sheet metal dropped off at Bodyguard. They were able to make the brakes exactly where we needed them to be. That worked out a little better than I planned.
Yeah.
Should work. So what I'm going to do is I'll just start playing around with it on this shrinker part. Slowly just start forming it. And as you go, the straight metal begins to have a bend that's going to follow our wheel wells. Just about got them knocked out.
Yeah.
This should be the driver's side one. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. I'll just start in the middle of it and start welding and work my way around it. But should work. So we finally just about got all of the sheet metal work wrapped up. We've got all the plug welds welded in, grounded down. At a point now where we're just going to add a little seam sealer around the edges to fill in any gaps. We'll go ahead and add seam sealer on the bottom as well. Now that we got the sealer applied, allowed it to flash off just a little bit. On the inside of this thing, the rougher it looks, the better. It's going to match really well. So we're just going to use just a Krylon spray paint. I only have one can of the Krylon spray paint. So I found, looks like we're going to go ahead and go with some Bonnie cream inside here. Now that we got this white base coat on there and it's flashed off, it's good and dry. I'm just going to come around on some of the spots with just a few different spray paints just to give it a little bit of color before we start applying the rust paint. I've just mixed up a little bit of our rust paint. We'll allow that to flash off and then we'll come back with the activator. Now we're just going to spray this activator and watch it start to turn to rust. Thought it'd be really cool just to go with a wood slat floor on the bottom, something kind of like an old truck. We were able to age the old wood to match as well. Everything's starting to come together and really happy.